On today's episode of Designing Spaces, do you have a lot of ground to cover when landscaping your property? We'll learn what to look for when choosing the right equipment for the job. Life can be messy and especially tough on our vehicles. We've got you covered with solutions to protect the interior and exterior. Experts say the best way to preserve our memories is to display them around our homes. We've got framing tips galore on how we can protect our cherished moments. Plus, innovative storage solutions and moving made simple. Designing Spaces starts now. People are looking for answers when caring for their lawns, ideally with speed and even comfort. Designing Spaces is tagging along with Kubota reps Bo Woodbury and Tom Vockel on their visit to Casheta Farms in Apopka, Florida.
We wake up about 4 o'clock in the morning, start with taking care of our dogs. We come outside and move down to our horses. We feed all the horses, we feed all the chickens, clean out their pens, we clean out the horses' paddocks.
I train the horses, and then after the horses are done with their training, I move on to our garden work while he's out mowing or taking care of other points on our property.
The pride that Kubota takes in providing products for the hardworking Americans across the country is very, very important to all of us.
Our equipment is designed and engineered specifically for completing the tasks at hand for our customers. We want to assist them in doing the best job that they can for that true DIY lifestyle.
The do-it-yourself lifestyle is one of the most rewarding lifestyles that you can have because nobody else is doing it for you. We're growing together and we're growing with the things around us. And when we do it ourselves, we have a lot more pride in it.
Since Kubota's introduction into the U.S. compact tractor market in 1972, the drive to find solutions for their customers continues 50 years later.
So Kubota has a wide range of equipment depending on what the task at hand is. We have compact tractors, we have excavators, we have turf products, we have RTVs. So depending on what the job needs, we have the right piece of equipment that can satisfy that task.
A lot of the products that Kubota designs and delivers are available for property owners like Nick and Caitlin.
Here at our farm, we have 4 acres. We use a wide variety of equipment to take care of the operations that we have here. The operations include mowing, moving manure, moving compost, hay, and shavings.
Well, we need something that's smooth, something that's easy to operate, and something that can handle not just the big stuff that we do, but also the small, detailed items.
Kubota does a lot of research and development to develop the future products that we're going to bring to the customers.
We're all about finding solutions, right? Solutions are the key to making it easier for our customers and finding that equipment and what needs to change or be developed to help fit that task at hand. The BX series is designed for that small chassis to really get into tight areas and be able to really be that jack of all trades type of machine.
So here at the farm, we use a tractor for a multitude of different operations. One of the things I love about it the most is the ease that it has of taking on and off the attachments, including the front loader. And then we can go right into the mowing deck. I mean, it's so clean when it mows. Its turning radius is really narrow. So it's so versatile and it makes everything more efficient on our property.
Well, it's important for us because we have a lot of things we have to get done on the farm.
There's only so much time in the day.
That's right.
The BX is a subcompact tractor. So by its very nature, the essence of what makes it great is its subcompact size in order to really get into those tight, nimble areas and be a machine that can accomplish a wide variety of tasks. Whether that be loader work, as you can see here with our Swift Hatch loader. You have the mid-mount mower, so you can mow with this. You also have a wide range of performance match implements through Land Pride to accomplish whatever task that you might need. The BX series is the top-selling subcompact tractor in the United States for over the last decade as well.
This Z400 zero-turn mower is a great piece for the small estate. It really has the power to deliver and perform and do all the things that they're trying to do around their property. The 3-spindle deck really delivers that cut quality that our customer expects. Kubota has a very strong dealer base. We have more than 1,100 dealers across the USA.
The serviceability of the equipment through our local dealer is magnificent.
So this year is a really exciting year for us here at Kubota. 2022 marks the 50th anniversary for Kubota here in the United States.
We're very proud to be part of that, and we've been doing a lot of different things throughout Kubota with the 50th anniversary.
And we really look forward to the next 50 years.
So the thing about Kubota that's so phenomenal that not any other brand really offers is the fact that they grow with you and you can grow with them. So when I say Kubota is our family, they are our family.
They really are.
To learn more about Kubota solutions for your home, visit KubotaUSA.com or visit us at designingspaces.tv for more information. For most, a vehicle is the second most expensive purchase after a house. To protect the value and extend the lifetime of your vehicle, you need to keep the floors and seats clean. When winterizing it, think about the interior. WeatherTech is the industry leader in custom fitting floor mats and accessories to protect vehicles from wear and tear and the elements. VP of Product Development Ryan Granger tells us more.
Winterizing your vehicle means adding WeatherTech interior protection products to protect your vehicle against winter elements such as snow and salt. Examples being the WeatherTech floor liner, protecting your carpet from the slush, salt stains. It's extremely durable material. It's manufactured from a high-density tri-extruded plastic, thermal formed into the exact shape of the floor well. WeatherTech floor liners and cargo liners are all laser measured to ensure a perfect fitting product for each vehicle. WeatherTech products are tested for a wide range of temperatures, both the heat extreme as well as the cold extreme.
We're now joined by the Nicholson family, who's not only winterizing their vehicle, but with 3 young children, car cleanliness is an issue year-round.
My kids are super messy. If we go on any kind of road trip, they want to bring all of their snacks, and it is very difficult for them to keep their snacks contained amongst themselves and their car seat. They're also bringing their arts and crafts inside, so sometimes they will leave their crayons behind. In the summer, they will melt and get stuck in the car to the seats and to the floor.
The family went online to WeatherTech.com and entered the make, year, and model of their SUV. WeatherTech has a robust database of measurements of a wide range of vehicles. Let's learn about the child car seat protector and everything else Christina ordered.
It's a great product because it protects the seats against spills, against Cheerios, crumbs, anything, crayons even. We also have seat protectors for the front, so when kids are kicking, it protects the back of the seats, but we also have nice little pockets in there so you can put some stuff in there, such as drinks for your children. We also offer mud flaps for certain vehicles, and that's a great product for any climate, actually. It protects the vehicle from splashing through puddles, from debris such as rock chips, as well as salt and grime in the winter.
So tell me about this color.
Yeah, so we have black selected here, which complements both the carpet and the interior of the seats. Though this is available in tan gray as well as cocoa.
I think my first WeatherTech purchase ever was the cup phone.
Ah, the cup phone. Universal product. It's made to securely fasten your phone while in transit. Fits any vehicle, fits any phone.
So Ryan, some people actually don't have to shop online. They can go to your retail locations.
Correct. We have 2 of them actually. One in Bolingbrook, Illinois, and one in Broomfield, Colorado.
Ryan, tell me about cleaning this, because that's obviously very important, and you brought a couple of must-have cleaning items with you.
What we have here is a floor liner and floor mat cleaner. We also have a protector and conditioner. So this will basically make them look brand new after you clean them, like they came out of the box. We're going to take the floor liner cleaner and give it a few spritz, and with a paper towel, give it a nice little scrub. You'll see the cleaning agent foaming. Wipe that all up, and it'll be good as new.
The Nicholsons don't have a dog yet, but may add a fur baby to their family in the future.
So we have seat protectors which keep all of the dirt, dander, and hair off your seats. And the floor liners, even the cargo liners, are great for that as well. Our door protectors are great because it keeps the doors from getting scratched by their paws.
And you also have barriers, right? That kind of keep them in their seats while I'm driving?
Yeah, well, you know, if you have a dog that's going to reside in your cargo area, we have a pet barrier. We even have a pet harness to keep the dog secured when it's in transit. And we even have pet ramps to help aging dogs or even heavier dogs load into the vehicles.
Do you have anything for dogs in the house?
We do. We have a whole array of pet feeding systems.
WeatherTech products are largely designed, engineered, and manufactured in Bolingbrook, Illinois, using American-made tools. Go to WeatherTech.com or designingspaces.tv for more information. Mementos have this magic way of taking us right back to a moment in time. Designing Spaces spoke to the framing experts at Tru Vue and Frameworks Miami for some professional tips on how to pick the best custom frame in which to display your next memory.
Custom framing is where you take something that's important to you, that you want to remember, you can preserve it, protect it, and you can display it in your home. Anything that you want to preserve or protect can be framed. The combination of an artistic vision and the technical expertise required for custom framing really allows us to be limitless in what we can provide to our clients. You can come to us with an idea or a concept, and we have lots and lots of different materials that we can recommend for printing and using in framing that allow us to really have it be an expression of you, and we specifically work with you to get you what you want.
When you come to a custom framer, the framer is going to not only be able to enhance the artwork with its framing design, but they will also be able to preserve your artwork for a very long time. The first thing to do when a customer walks in the door is to listen to them, see what they're looking for, and provide them guidance so that we can then create a design package for their artwork. It's critical when you go to a custom framer that you go to somebody that is reliable, somebody that understands about preservation, design, and the finished product.
Trueview is the leader and innovator in the protection, conservation, and visual appearance of all things framed and displayed. They've been making these products for more than 70 years.
Trueview is a US-based manufacturing company, and we make glass and acrylic for many different applications. But our proudest applications are protecting and preserving consumers' memories, as well as protecting precious works of art in museums all around the world. Trueview makes glass and acrylic products that are different than what you would find in ready-made frames. The reason is we use different levels of coating that are engineered specifically to offer distraction-free viewing or an anti-reflective glass. And with added UV protection, it protects your items and memories, especially the ones that can't be replaced.
We love our partnership with Trueview because through their marketing materials, we're able to educate our customers on preservation, including selecting the proper glass or acrylic.
We do not use regular glass because it is detrimental to your artwork or whatever you're framing. We use Trueview Conservation Clear as our baseline product, and what that does is it blocks the UV rays from getting to the artwork. Now, in addition to the Conservation Clear, our favorite product by Trueview is their museum glass and acrylic, and it provides an exponentially clear way to see what you have framed.
These options not only offer you an invisible, beautiful finish, but also provide you with different levels of protection, preservation, and anti-reflection.
Everyone assumes that glass is glass. It's not. There's regular glass, there's conservation glass, there's non-glare glass, and there's the best of the best is the Trueview museum glass.
Museum glass from Trueview is engineered with coatings to offer anti-reflection, so color and detail come through, UV protection to really minimize the impact of UV rays, and an overall clarity to see the image with distraction-free viewing. Optium Museum Acrylic from Trueview is an acrylic-based product that's engineered with layers of coating to provide attributes such as static resistance, which makes it really great for framing materials and fabrics. It's also abrasion resistant for high traffic areas where it can minimize art getting scratched. And it's also shatter resistant.
The goal of this Made in America state-of-the-art custom glazing is to be invisible and protective at the same time.
I truly love the journey of working with customers on the design of their piece to its completion. And the ability to create something beautiful from nothing is very empowering.
To find out more about how to get the best, most protective, and distraction-free viewing of your projects, visit tru-vue.com. And of course, you can always visit us at designingspaces.tv.
I'm so excited. I can't believe we're finally moving in together. But I have to be honest with you, I am a little overwhelmed just thinking about packing and moving all this stuff.
Yeah, I know, and I feel bad that I'm gonna be out of town that week that you're moving, I won't be able to help. Actually, remember that last time I moved, I was still recovering from that back injury?
Oh, that's right.
And I couldn't really do any heavy lifting or packing or anything like that. So I used this company called Clutter, Moving and Storage, and they took care of all of it.
Everything.
Everything. I didn't have to lift a finger.
Wow, they sound like exactly what I need. I went to clutter.com, where I was able to plan my whole move by answering a few questions. I didn't need to make a single phone call. And after filling out some information about my move, they gave me a quote immediately that was transparent and affordable. They even scheduled a one-on-one virtual walkthrough of my home with a Clutter team member so that they could prepare everything I'll need.
Hi Rasha, my name is Angela. Thank you for choosing Clutter Moving and Storage. Are you ready for your virtual walkthrough?
Yes, now's a good time.
Awesome, just walk me through your home and show me everything you need help packing or moving.
All right, so everything you see here, this is in my living room. All of this is gonna be packed.
Great.
And then I'm gonna walk you over to my kitchen right now. I plan on taking everything that's in the kitchen cabinets and drawers, which you can see right here. And then of course, all my clothes.
This is a move we can easily handle within a day. We'll be sending in 2 professional movers for your upcoming move. They will help you pack everything and unpack as well if you'd like them to. Do you have any other questions for me about our other services?
Can you tell me more about your storage options? You know, I've lived in this house for 10 years and I've accumulated a lot of things that I know won't all fit into my fiance's place. So I don't want to get rid of them either.
Of course. So when our professional movers come to your home, just let them know which items you'd like to put into storage. They will photograph and categorize each item and then wrap and pack them up. You'll be able to see everything you have in storage on your online photo catalog basically right away.
What if I need something back?
Well, unlike traditional storage, you won't need to visit a unit, rent a truck, or even dig through tons of boxes just to get one item back. With Clutter Smart Storage, whenever you need an item back, you can just request it through your catalog and we'll deliver it straight to you.
That sounds amazing. What can I store with you though?
Honestly, anything. You can really customize your storage plan with us. Some of our customers store everything while they're looking for a new home, but some just store holiday decorations or winter clothes just to keep their homes organized and clutter-free.
That's fun. What storage size do you think I'll need?
They'll completely depend on how many items you're storing, but the great thing is we only charge you for the closest size you take up with your items. And as you take a lot of things out, we'll downgrade you automatically to a smaller storage plan so that you're never paying more than the size you need.
That sounds so convenient. Now, I have a lot of delicate items that I'm concerned about breaking. Can Clutter handle that too?
Of course, don't worry. All of our movers are licensed and professionally trained in-house. They'll treat all of your items as if they were their own. We will use moving blankets and edge protectors to move any fragile items. Our movers will also help you take apart and put your furniture back together.
Thanks so much for telling me more about Clutter services.
Of course, we're happy to help. I'll send over your finalized quote right now. We're super excited to help you with your upcoming move. Have a great day.
Thank you, you too.
Bye.
On moving day, you can track your mover's location on the Teal app as they're on their way. You can also see their photos and names, so you feel safe when you greet them at your door. Customers can choose to pack on their own if they prefer, but if you'd like Clutter to pack for you, they'll provide all the materials, including boxes, bubble wrap, packing paper, and tape.
It's so great to finally be living together. And thank you so much for Clutter. They made moving super easy and stress-free.
Oh, that's great. I'm so glad everything worked out so well with Clutter.
Yes, and now we can focus on our wedding and decorating this place. I found some things in this magazine already, look.
Ooh, yeah, I like that.
And then I was thinking we could do this right up in this space here.
Oh, yeah,
Right?
that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm really excited to turn this place into our home.
Me too.
To get started on your move or to reserve storage, visit clutter.com/designing spaces. Head to designingspaces.tv for more information. For more information on anything you've seen on today's show, or to be a part of the show, go to our website, designingspaces.tv.